So hello there, our theme for today is our country, which is Philippines. So I choose this pattern, ginawa ko siyang parang tattoo style and this tribal pattern. Gagawa tayo ng pre-colonial Filipina. Then, like this skirt, pero mamaya tatanggalin ko siya eh. And itong skirt na to. Then change into this kind of pattern para medyo tribal look yung ating dating. So, tinanggal ko yung isa para mas ma-emphasize natin yung ating skirt. Then, I change my leggings into this pattern para tattoo, yung dating niya. Then, another skirt para mas emboss yung skirt natin. And as a Filipina, long black hair ang ating pinili. Then, slippers and this accessories para medyo maganda yung ating aura. Parang princess lang. Then, accessories na necklace, earrings, and enough ko yung ating axe para magmukha siyang sibat. Okay, so yan, di ba? Pre-colonial na pre-colonial. Iniba ko pala yung ating slippers para mas simple lang yung kanyang dating. So, this is my final look. Rampa na. So, taray, diba? Ang ganda niya. Pre-colonial ang kanyang dating, kaya I got the first place. So ito yung aking mga suot. So, thanks for watching!